Welcome back to CoderZ Bytes. This episode will explain how you can control your students' access to activities within CoderZ courses. Some of our courses are quite long, and educators may choose to limit their students' access to the entirety of a course in order for them to stay more focused on the current lessons. To control content availability, navigate to the Edit Courses tab in the Class Settings wizard, as shown in the previous video. Next to the course, you'll see a drop-down menu for Progress Type. Here are the options real quick. All packs open is the default option. This means everything is available. Pack by pack means that students will have to complete all the missions inside a pack in order for the next one to unlock. Sequential essentially means activity by activity. Complete one and the next will become available. Manual allows educators to select specific packs they wish to make available to students. All these progress types can be changed by teacher or admin users at any time, so it's all your choice. See you next time!